Let's go to page 254. Okay, start with number 1. Okay, so you have an x squared minus 4xy squared plus 5. So A, you're looking for the degree of the first term. So the first term is second degree. Okay, and B, the degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is the highest one. So this is the third degree. So this is the highest one. So answer will be 3. Because you get 1 from here, 2 from here. So this is the third degree. And C, looking for the numerical coefficient of the second term. So numerical coefficient of the second term is this one here. So it would be -4. So make sure you're including the negative. Okay, number 2, you're going to subtract the first parentheses from the second parentheses. So when you're doing a translation, you have to do the -4z squared minus 5z plus 10 minus 10 minus z plus 2z squared. Okay, so you can just subtract the first parentheses from the second parentheses. And after that, you need to go ahead and get rid of parentheses, so multiply whatever in front. So 1 times this would be the same. Now this one have to be careful. When you distribute, you're going to get -10 plus z minus 2z squared. Then after that, combine the like terms. So start from the highest degree. So -2 and -4 and -2 will give you -6. They're the same sign, so it means they're going the same direction. So you have to add a number because you will reinforce each other. And then after that, you do the first degree. So -5 plus 1 will give you -4z. And the number, this will cancel out, so that's kind of nice. Okay. Okay, number 3. Okay, you're going to add all these things together. So you got minus 5x to the 3 plus 2x squared, and that's a missing term. And the second one is 7x to the 3 plus 5x minus 8. And then you have 3x squared minus 6x plus 10. Okay, so when you add, -5 plus 7 will give you +2. Okay. And this one, 2 plus 3 will give you +5. 5 minus 6 will give you -1. And this one will give you -13. -13 plus 10 will give you -3. And that's it. Okay, next one, number 4. This is a subtraction. Okay, so you got 9a squared b minus 2ab squared minus 3ab. And you got 4a squared b plus 6ab squared minus 7ab. Okay, so this one you want to do subtraction. When you do the subtraction, you have to be extremely careful. So I'm going to put subtraction over here to remind myself that I need to subtract every term. Okay. Okay, so you do the coefficients. So 9 minus 4 will give me 5. Then this is where you have to start to be careful. -2 minus 6 will give you -8. -3 minus -7, this becomes plus. So -3 plus 7 will become +4. Okay. Okay. Let's go to number 5. You have 6x squared minus 5 minus 11x plus 15x minus 4x squared plus 7. Okay, so first let's get rid of the parentheses. So multiply by the number in front. When there's no number, it means it's 1. So you can just drop that. Again, 1 times whatever would be the same. Then after that, that's going to combine the like terms. Start with the highest degree term. Again, you want to use different shape to circle them or box them so you can identify them easily. So 6 minus 4 would become 2. Then after that, I'm going to do the first degree. So I can do the second degree, and you just go down in order. So minus negative 11 plus 15 will give me plus 4. And the number, the leftover, negative 5 plus 7 will give me plus 2. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 6. So you have 3xy squared minus 4xy minus 6xy minus 3xy squared plus 4xy plus x to the 3. Okay, so first step, get rid of all the parentheses. So this one you can just drop. This one you have to distribute, so it would be minus 6xy, distribute, become plus 3xy squared plus 4xy plus x cubed. Okay, so let's go ahead and combine the like terms. So this one don't have anything to combine, so it'll be x3. Then you do the x squared. Do you have any x squares? No. So let's do the xy squared. So you got the xy squared. So 3 plus 3 give me 6xy squared. Then after that, you do the xy term. So these two will cancel out. So only one left would be this one, so it would be minus 6xy. Okay. Okay, number 7. So we got 2m squared minus 5 minus bracket parentheses 7 minus m squared minus parentheses 4m squared minus 3. Okay, so first let's get rid of parentheses. So you're going to get 2m squared minus 5 minus, okay, so it'd be 7 minus m squared. And this one that's minus, you have to distribute, so minus 4m squared plus 3. Okay, so we take care of the parentheses, then we do the brackets. So distribute, so it'd be minus 7 plus m squared plus 4m squared minus 3. Okay, then after that, let's go and combine the like terms. So let's start with the square. So 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 4 is 7. And then there is no 1 degree term. So next one would be just the numbers. So it would be minus 15. Okay, minus 5. Negative 5 minus 7, that's give you negative 12. Minus 3 give you negative 15. Okay. Okay. Now this one, it says subtract the first. So subtract the first parentheses from the sum of the second and third. Okay. So that's what you have. Okay. So you have to do this. So the sum of 2x, use bracket, minus 8 minus 7x squared plus 12 minus 2x squared plus 11x minus the first parentheses, so 5x squared minus 9x plus 6. Okay, so that's what you have. So again, subtract the first parentheses from the sum of the second and the third parentheses. Okay, so first, again, get rid of all the parentheses. So it's just going to have 2x minus 8 minus 7x squared plus 12 minus 2x squared plus 11x. Okay, and this one you have to be careful. So you have to distribute, so minus 5x squared plus 9x minus 6. Okay, Then after that, let's get rid of the bracket. Since there's nothing in front, okay, let's just get rid of the bracket. So you got 2x minus 8 minus 7x squared plus 12 minus 2x squared plus 11x minus 5x squared plus 9x minus 6. Okay, so now let's go and combine the like terms. So start with the square term. So negative 7, negative 2, so this will give me negative 14x squared. Okay, and then let's do the x term. So you got 2, 11, and 9. So this would be plus 22x. And the number, this would give me 4. 4 minus 6 would give me minus 2. Okay, and that would be your answer. Okay, let's go to number 9. Okay, number 9, you have 10 to the 2 times 10 to the 3. So this is a multiplication. You have to use a product rule, so it would be 10 to the 5. Okay. And number 10. You have a to the 3 to the 5. This one you have to use the power rule, so it'll be a to the 15. Okay, so easy answer, you can box them. Okay. And okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 11, you have 12x to the 6 over 2x squared. Okay, so actually this one will not have any more fraction. So this one you can divide by 2, so you get 1 and 6. And x to the 6 divided by x to the 2, you subtract, so you're going to get x to the 4. Okay, and that would be your answer. Okay, number 12. You have x to the 3 times x to the 5. So use a product rule. So when you multiply, you have to add the exponents, will be x to the 8, and that's it. Okay, number 13. You have 2 to the 8 divided by 2 to the 5. Okay, so you use the quotient rule. So divide, you subtract, so it will be 2 to the 3. Okay. Again, you can just leave it or you can work it out, doesn't matter. Okay, number 14. Okay, you have negative 3xy times 5x 3y times negative 2xy to the 4. So all these are multiplications, so do not distribute. Okay, so when you multiply, you do the sign. So 2 negative will give you positive, then the number. I'm going to multiply 2 and 5 first because this will give me 10. 10 times 3 will give me 30. Okay, or you can just go straight forward. 3 times 5 is 15, times 2 is 30. So you can sign number, now go to the alphabet. So you got x, x to the 3, x, so it would be x to the 5. Right? So 1 plus 3 plus 1 will give you 5. Then you go to the y. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 15, you have 4x times 3x squared minus 2. Okay, so this one is just going to distribute, so multiply. This will give you 12x to the 3. So you can number alphabet, right? And distribute, so it will be minus 8x. Okay, 16. You have negative 2ab times 5a squared minus 3ab squared plus 4b. Okay, so we're going to go and distribute, so equal to, so sign is negative, number is 10, alphabet would be a to the 3b. Okay, and you go to the next one, the sign is plus, number would be 6, alphabet would be a squared b to the 3. You do the next one, the sign is minus, number would be 8, alphabet would be a b squared. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so again, that's the answer for 16. Let's go to 17. You have 2x minus 5, and you got 3x plus 4. So use a for your method. So go and multiply. So this will equal to 6x squared. Multiply, this will become plus 8x. And you go and use the I, right? So FOI minus 15x and L minus 20. Then you combine the O and the I. So this will equal to 6x squared minus 7x minus 20. Okay, 18. You got 2y minus 3 squared. So this is a perfect square. So you square that, you get 4. Square that, you get y squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 9. So square each part, then multiply everything to get a middle. So sign is minus. Number 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. Alphabet is y. And that's it. Okay, 19. You have m plus 3 times 2m plus 6. So you can use your for your method. So the first term, you multiply, you get 2m squared. So that's F, O, so it'd be plus 6m. Okay, then the I plus 6m, and the L plus 18. Combine the like terms. So you're going to get 2m squared plus 12m plus 18. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one, number 20. Here you have 5a plus 2, 5a minus 2. So this is the conjugate. So conjugate, you just multiply the corresponding part. So this way, 5 times 5 is 25, a times a is a squared, plus times minus is minus, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, and that's it. Okay, 21. Okay, you have 4x minus 2y times 3x minus 5y. Okay, so use a for your method. So multiply, so this is equal to 12x squared. So FO, so minus 20xy. Then do the L, in the I, the inside term, minus 6xy, and the L be plus 10y squared. Okay, then after that, combine the like terms. So this will equal to 12x squared minus 26xy plus 10y squared. Okay, let's go to 22. Okay, so you got w minus 3 times w squared plus 3w plus 8. Okay, so this you have to use distributive property. So distribute, so you get w cubed plus 3w squared plus 8w. So after you're done with the first term, you go to the second term. So it'll be minus 3w squared minus 9. So minus 3w squared minus 9w minus 24. Then after that, you combine the like terms. So this one has nothing to combine. So this one and this one, they cancel out. Okay, and this one be minus w, and the level would be minus 24. Okay. Okay, 23. So you have 6x3 minus 4x squared plus 8x divided by 2x. So separate each term. Okay, and you simplify each part. So 2 and 6 can divide by 2. So you're going to get 3, and this cancel, you get 3x squared. Minus, okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, x squared divided by x is x, and plus the x cancel out, 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. Okay, and that's it. Okay, 24. Okay, this is a long division. Okay, so you have to write the divisor. So 10x squared plus x minus 5. And this one you have to have 2x minus 1. Okay, so again, first you focus on the first term. So you need to get 5x, right? 2 times 5 to get 10, x times x to get x squared. So when you multiply, you get 10x squared minus 5x. Okay. So subtract. So you got 1 minus negative 5 will give you 6. Okay, drop. Okay, you can focus on the first term. So you need to get plus 3. So notice it go down in order, right? You got x to the 1 power, then you got no x. So multiply, you get 6x minus 3. Okay, so subtract. Negative 5 minus negative 3, this becomes plus 3. So negative 5 plus 3 will give you a negative 2. Okay, so your answer would be 5x plus 3 minus 2 over 2x minus 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, 25. So again, first you have to make sure you put everything in order. So you got 2x to the 3, and there's no square term, so you have to plus 0x squared, then minus 20x, then minus 6. And over here you got x plus 3. Okay, so you can focus on the first term. So you need to get 2x squared. Okay, so when you multiply, you're going to get 2x to the 3 plus 6x squared. Okay, so the line, parentheses, subtract. So 0 minus 6 will give you negative 6. Okay, drop the next term. Again, focus on the first term. So you need to get minus 6x. So you can always have to go down in order, right? So x to the 2 to x to the 1. Okay, so when you multiply, you're going to get minus 6x squared minus 18x. Okay, draw the line, parentheses, subtract. So negative 20 minus negative 18, this becomes plus. So negative 20 plus 18 will give you negative 2. Okay, then you drop the next one. Again, focus on the first term. So this one you need to get minus 2. So again, this has to go down in order always. Okay, so you're going to get minus 2x, negative 6. And you subtract and it gets 0. So your answer would be 2x squared minus 6x minus 2.